Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and my first ever video. I'm the Sweet Tourist, travel and lifestyle creator based in Vancouver, Canada. We just checked into the West Hollywood edition, and wow, it completely blew past my expectations. The lobby is huge and super inviting, with lounge sofas, pool table, and this gorgeous bar that totally transforms into a nightlife hotspot in the evening. Welcome to the Premier Villa Suite, where luxury meets laid-back California living. The moment you walk in, it feels like you've stepped into your own private hideaway, tucked right between the glam of Beverly Hills and the energy of West Hollywood. As you step inside, you're immediately greeted by one of the suite's two beautifully designed bathrooms. Just beyond that, you'll find a spacious dining area with a table that comfortably sits 6 to 8 people, perfect for an intimate dinner, casual gathering, or a luxurious room service spread. Adjacent to the dining space is the expansive living area, featuring a plush oversized sofa, a sleek coffee table, and warm ambient lighting that creates the perfect atmosphere. The bedroom is a true treat. It features a massive bed which is so comfortable, gave me one of the best sleeps I've had in a while. The main bathroom is spa-like, featuring a deep soaking tub, spacious rainfall shower, dual vanities, and amenities by Le Labo, adding that elevated touch. But what truly sets the Premier Villa Suite apart is the private outdoor terrace. We're up at the rooftop pool at the West Hollywood edition, and the views are absolutely insane. Hollywood Hills on one side, downtown LA on the other. The vibe is super chic with sleek loungers, cabanas, and trees giving it that luxury Cali feel. Later that night, we headed down to Ardor, the hotel's signature restaurant. We had the steak dinner. It was perfectly cooked, beautifully presented, and bursting with flavor. If you're staying here, make sure to have dinner at Ardor, which is a must. I highly recommend staying at the West Hollywood edition the next time you're in LA. In my opinion, it's Marriott's best property in the city. True luxury at its finest, and a perfect reflection of the Edition brand. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.